Okay, boys and girls, now as you can see we have a grid here, right? Nothing fancy right now, and we have a towers here, but we are not going to use that right now. We have our grid, and I have 11 subdivisions in rows and columns 21. Let me do that 11, both even, right? I am using a mesh type. Okay, we can use polygons if we want to, doesn't matter actually. Actually, well, we can use NURBS too if we want to, it doesn't matter. We're going to have results anyways. So let's select our grid, and the one that I want to show you in this movie is called Fractal, right? Let's click on this, and now you can see, select the primitives to fractalize and press enter to continue. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, or a lot, and press enter. And there we go, we have something going on. As you can see, now we have some kind of terrain that we can use in one of our scenes, right? Now, one thing is we have some kind of handle here where you can move it, and as you can see, you can change the angle of all these kind of mountains, right? You can change all the direction here, or in this direction. Now we have the radius, this kind of circles that we can see here is how we are affecting our mesh, alright? So let's undo this, put everything back in 0. Oops, sorry, I didn't want to do that. Okay, let's select again our fractal. There we go. Now let's zoom in, and now let's see what we have in our parameters. With a fractal, we have a group here, the first thing. Then we have divisions, so we can increase the number of divisions and get more detail in our deformation, right? Or only one. Okay. Then we have smoothness. So when we do that, we have something better. Now here you can see how you can get some kind of like in the moon kind of thing, terrain, mountains, all this kind of stuff. And if we go like that, we can see that now it looks more like sand, right? With not that much, with just a little bit of deformation here. Then we have the scale. We can scale it up like that, or scale it down. All right. And we have the seed. And now, as you can see, we can create a lot of different kind of effects, like sand, like mountains, different kind of terrains. We have fixed boundary, we have use vertex normal, but other things that we can use this option or simulate water too. Why not, right? We have the scale here. We can manipulate these parameters because all of them are animatable. I can animate all these single parameters, so the opportunities here in Houdini are endless. Now let's say that this is what I want. I'm just gonna show you something quick here. I'm gonna press Alt here. I'm gonna create a keyframe here. Then I'm gonna move to the end of my animation, and I'm gonna move that to 10. And actually, I'm gonna type here 25. Okay, and then I'm gonna rewind this and play it. You can see how we can get this kind of effect. As you can see, it looks like water kind of thing. Right, so that's the fractal. I think you have an idea of how you can use it. You can use it for terrain, like I told you, and I see you in the next movie.